Tell me about yourself. Start with your name. Give your place information. Education in short. Job experience if any. Family details in short. Example: My name is Umar. I live in Patna. I have done BE in electrical and MBA in HR. I have 2 years experience in HR. Why should I hire you? Share your knowledge. Work experience. Skills related to job. Career goals. Example: Sir, as I am a fresher, I have theoretical knowledge, but I can do hard work for my organization, and I will put all my efforts for the good progress of my organization. Being punctual and sincere, I can finish the work given to me on time and try to fulfill all the needs of my company from me. What are your strengths? Adaptation, hardworking, honest, flexibility, optimistic, self-motivated, fast decision making. Example: I am honest, self-motivated, and hardworking person with positive attitude towards my career and life. Why do you want to work with our company? Tell them what you like about the company related to your long-term career goals. Example: Sir, it's a great privilege for anyone to work in a reputed company like yours. When I read about your company, I found that my skills are matching your requirement, where I can showcase my technical skills to contribute to the company growth. What are your salary requirements? Never share your salary requirement as a fresher. Experienced candidates can share their expected salary. Always say yes as per the company norms for job. Example: I am a fresher. Salary is not my priority. This is a big platform to start my career, and I also wanted to improve my knowledge and skills and gain experience to expect a considerable of salary according to my ability and your company's norms, which will fulfill my economical needs.